G'day DIY enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you how to spot termites fast with a quick DIY walk-around check. Let's dive in. First up, keep an eye out for mud tubes and tunnels. Thin, brown, vein-like trails on your walls, foundations, or brickwork. These are termite highways. Next, give your door frames, skirting boards, and windowsills a good tap. If it sounds hollow or papery, termites might be inside. Now press on wooden areas around your home. If the wood flakes, crumbles, or feels soft, it could be termite damage. Check the paint on your walls or wooden surfaces. If it looks uneven, peeling, or bubbling, termites could be tunneling underneath. Look for pinholes in drywall or plaster. Tiny holes appearing in walls or ceilings might indicate termites breaking through. Drywood termites leave behind tiny, grainy, sand-like droppings near infested areas. So keep an eye out for termite droppings, also known as frass. Moist wood attracts termites, so check under sinks, in bathrooms, or anywhere water leaks. Tree stumps and dead wood near the house are a termite's dream. Make sure to clear out old stumps, logs, with firewood stacked close to your home. Check for cracks in foundations and brickwork. Termites use gaps in concrete and bricks as sneaky entry points into your home. Got piles of cardboard, timber, or mulch near your home? That's a buffet for termites. Alright, if you see any of these signs, don't wait. Call Slug-A-Bug at 1800-959-63 before they turn your house into their next meal. Remember, don't disturb the termites too much, or they'll start munching on another area of your house. And avoid using store-bought products. Have professionals treat them for colony control. Thanks for watching, and happy checking. If you want to find out what most people do with termites when they find them that's wrong, click the card above.
Slug-A-Bug, slug bugs, but they save their biggest hit for termites. Not your wallet. When termites come a-munchin', Slug-A-Bug come a-punchin'. Slug-A-Bug.com.au QBCC 1531530